Acquire grammar. In this lesson, we are going to have a look at how to use used to. We use used to for something that was true for a period of time in the past, but is not true now. We say, I used to do something when we did it in the past, but we don't do it now. We say, I didn't used to do something when we do it now, but we didn't do it in the past. Let's look at some examples. Okay, let's start with this example. Right now, I do not drink soda. I never drink soda. But in the past, I drank a lot of soda. So we can say, I used to drink soda. Okay, so let's look at this guy here. He's a chef. But in the past, this was his job. He was a waiter. So we can say, he used to be a waiter, but now he's a chef. She used to live in Sao Paulo, but now she lives in New York. Okay, here's our final example before we get to our quiz. So right now, I like coffee. But in the past, I didn't like coffee. So for these situations, we say, I didn't used to like coffee. Is that okay? Let's double check here. So in the past, I didn't like coffee, but now I do like coffee. So for these situations, we use I didn't used to. So here, I didn't used to like coffee. Okay, it's quiz time. Let's see if you can do it. He used to smoke. They used to be overweight. They used to eat junk food. He didn't used to have gray hair. He didn't used to wear glasses.